Hi, this is Scott from Underground Reptiles, here to let you know that we've got the biggest mossy balls around. If you're interested in mossy balls that are not quite as large, we've also got you covered there. Only at Underground Reptiles.
Welcome to 20 Minutes Underground, your online weekly YouTube reptile show for reptile enthusiasts like Marcos.
Pete. Got him!
We have so many of them, it's hard to remember, right?
That's why he's here.
Did you really try?
I thought it was Marcos. This week we're going to look at some of the coolest venomous snakes that God ever created. The most variety. The squam and shearer that we're going to look at this week are almost like the venomous version of chondro pythons. They come in so many shapes and sizes and styles with higher this and lower that and greater keeled scales and dark rich red to all the way to bright yellow and black, and I love them. Only thing is they're such dangerous animals because they strike without warning. You know, they're sitting there all of a sudden 1 second they're stuck on your finger. Not from personal experience, mind you, but I did see somebody get bit by one. A friend of mine named Joe Fossey got bit by one. It's scary. He didn't get envenomated. This is going back about 20 years. If you like cooking with reptiles, you will love this week's show. We had to say goodbye to some of our animals, but we said hello to a lot of good food. Now look at this. This is the guts and intestine of a rhino iguana. Franchise sauce. Enjoy the show. Oh.
When the boss is away, the employees will play.
You're dressed like an old person's sofa.
No, what would you? Yeah. Welcome to 20 Minutes Underground.
Those things is opening these boxes, and here we got this box from the Republic of Congo, and these are all our venomous snakes that come in it, which are the what are they?
It's an Atheris squamangera, which is a variable bush viper.
And the other one?
Atheris hispida.
Yeah, he's part, or is that the snake?
That's
That
the
was
snake.
me, I just farted.
You did.
The hairy bush viper.
Now, remember, they have, it's not like, please guys are thinking, oh, they rip these things out of the wild. Please remember this, that some of these people have no other way of making money.
It smells like dead snake.
It does, man.
Yeah. It's a small room, man.
But you see, even when you get them out of countries, they have something called IATA regulations, and they have to be shipped. I mean, look at the shipping job on this thing. Nice job, pretty animals. We're going to show more when we start unpacking. Here's how the box comes in from Africa, according to regulations. Not only is it obviously clearly marked, but then we've got a screen cover, a layer of paper, and then snakes in the bags. So this is a very careful thing. This is not some willy-nilly Mickey Mouse. This ain't Mickey Mouse, right?
It's not Mickey Mouse.
Not Mickey Mouse, right? This ain't Mickey Mouse.
They don't even have Mickey Mouse in the Congress.
They gotta have reruns.
I don't know, man.
Always a t-shirt.
You ever seen like when
Welcome to my Italian cooking show. This week on Underground Reptiles, cooking with reptiles. The finest foods that you make from reptiles that you may find around your home. This week, I'm going to introduce you to 3 of the best meals you could ever eat. Number 1, albino tegu tail. Do you want to see some albino tegu tail? 2, box turtle milk soup. Oh, delicioso, delicioso, delicioso. And 3, steak from rhino iguana belly, otherwise known as rhino belly. Come with me, I'll show you how we harvest. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get a Cammy Joy to milk a bunch of box turtles. So we get the milk for the soup. Go ahead, milk. Milk of the turtle, milk of the turtle. Oh, that's a nice. Good, milk of the turtle. Go down there, milk of the turtle. That's good. Keep going. Fill it up, fill it up. Fill up the milk. Get the milk, get the milk. Nice job, Cammy Joe. Take the milk. Now don't show the milk. Okay. Okay. Now, a few turtles were hurt in the making of the turtle soup, but that's okay because it's more important that we eat good than the turtle live. People ask me how long I've been in the industry. Well, this wasn't really the earliest of early days. There was later than this, but this was back in the day. These are all classic reptile people from the business. That's Tim. I forget where he's at now. I don't remember her name. She was kind of just walking by and looking at the snake. That's Butch, Mike Ellard, Joe Fossey, Ray. Everybody knows Pops. I remember his name, but he was a Fed. Wayne Hill of the NRBE.
I thought that was you when you were younger.
Who? That? And that's that fine-looking fellow there with the long curly hair. When I was about 25, 26 years old. Now, you see that little thing I did with my leg there? That wasn't the way I stood back then. What happened was we were going to stretch the snake out and measure it. So I stepped my foot over at the same time the guy snapped the picture. So please, I am not Legs McGee. I am not. And that little cock in my head right there, that's not how I usually stand there. That's, classic shot from
You're
years
not
ago.
even looking at the camera either.
Shut up. Look at the snake. Look how big that snake is, man. That's like a 15, 16 foot snake, huh?
It's like 90s grunge. I'm angry at the world.
Did
Yes.
any of these guys have any other names? I mean, like if we could name them today, what would their names be?
Yeah. So this is mullet. This is leg.
Wait a second. That's not a mullet, though. My hair was pulled back.
I don't
My
know.
hair was long.
Yeah, sure. With the
Kinda-
part.
It's
in the
kind of hard
middle,
to tell.
that's-
It's not a video.
So
You can
this
only
is
see what you
mullet.
can see.
This is legs. This is legs junior. This is legs the third.
It's South Florida. It was hot.
Yeah. This is.
Why am I wearing
this-
black?
This is Curly Joe. This is T-shirt. This is legs and mullets children. And that's doorstop.
Oh, reminiscence. It's always amazing.
So I've been doing this business for better part of 25, 28 years. All right, going. So you guys getting the first look at the first opening of the first bag of the shipment from the Republic of Congo. Now, please, you guys that are into venomous snakes, if you watch Phil, his technique is impeccable. Phil's the one that teaches our venomous classes. And if you're ever interested in handling venomous snakes, you look at some of Phil's videos and look how he's doing this, and you'll see the proper technique to opening, handling.
My technique is impeccable.
My style is impeccable. My defense is impeccable.
Now, normally they're double bagged, so I'm gonna just make sure. I'm gonna grab a corner and just kind of shake a little bit. And my boy Peter next to me has a hook just in case. And it is double bagged. So we just want to make sure that fingers are out of the way. All right. We're gonna make sure the snake's at the bottom. Make sure we're not squishing any faces or tails.
First box right now. Well, you open the box first bag.
Here we go. Get it up ready. They actually come in a wide array of colors. Normally they're just green. So we'll see what this guy looks like.
That's a squam.
Squamager. That is not a hispidom.
Yeah, what's the story? The one thing about Africans, man, they don't know how to mark bags. It's kind of a wah wah.
Still really cool. This is one of the only, they say that people get chased by snakes. Oh, the snake chased me. These will literally try and crawl across the table to bite you because they're very, very defensive. His
yellow
color
tail.
is yellow. Look at that.
Man, that's the ugliest one you will see, and it's smoking hot. Okay, now I gotta get the steak. Now let me show you where the best steak is coming from. You see this albino tegu? Where? Here, the albino tegu. You see this meat right here? This is the best meat. That's the best meat. Give me the knife. Cammy Joy, give me the knife. Thank you. Now, what you do is you gotta go, stop moving. You cut it, okay. Now I make it the nicer fillet. I see you in a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm gonna feed. I have to do something very special. You see the best meat, keep it at the close, please. We don't want a specimen, I mean our friend, keep that close. We're going to take the meat. If you see here, the nice fat over here, the meat runs around the ribs like this. I am going to make an incision like this here, whoop, all the way down the side. I go to butterfly like a nice fillet, and I'm going to show you the meat. You go over there, please, so I don't have no problem. Okay, here we go. I cut your belly. Stay over there. Okay, cut the belly. Oh, the blood is everywhere. It's no good. The blood everywhere. Okay. I get to me. Turn the camera off for now. This is not good for Cito kids.
So this is a normal squamager's viper that is not normal at all. This is basically banded, and he's not happy. We're gonna call this, what was it, Austin? Sunfire?
Sunfire.
Sunfire. Imagine walking through the jungle and seeing that on a branch. Woof. Smoking.
I'm trying to pet it.
Beautiful.
Okay, here we are now in the kitchen, the cucina. In the cucina, we have everything we prepare special for this just occasion. First thing is first, as you see here, Cammy Joy, the best box turtle milker in the country, in the world maybe. She milked the turtles and we got box turtle milk soup. Ooh, this is so sweet. Mama, you hand me a spoon.
Sorry. Available.
Okay, this is a box turtle soup. It's a kind of sweet. It has a little bit of spice to it. But at the Gitman house, we love the box turtle soup. It's like a milk. Delicioso? Delicioso. Okay, now as you see, we have our steak selection here. Then we got the meat from, first is first, this is the albino tegu tail that we just harvest. We show you how we harvest. Well, you cut the base of the tail, and as the tail comes out, we cut the meat. This here, albino tegu steak. Un delicioso. Tutto bene. Oh, and this here, this is from the rhino iguana. We get the rhino iguana right across the rib section. We cut this up. It's so delicioso. So we got this, we harvest this, and while we inside, look at what we got. We got some vegetables. You see we got a little bit of guts in there too, a little intestine as they say. Delicioso, delicioso. We come back, we're gonna show you how we cook. Okay, so we're opening up these squams, looking at these different colors and patterns, and like Phil was just saying, we're so spoiled that we're seeing these incredible green ones that 2 years ago we would have done a backflip and paid $1,000 for, but because we're so spoiled, until this thing came along, and it literally takes your breath away, the way the yellow creeps up into the rust red, almost like it's a fire burning upward. It's just,
Turn it
Look
around
at this
so they
thing.
can see the belly.
Killer. You can't teach that.
Got it?
look at that thing.
Oh, look at the fade.
Fade is the word.
The fade.
Fades.
Go.
The first steak we're gonna cook is the albino tegu steak. is so tender, so tasty, that all you want to do is use very basic ingredients. First here, we have organic sugar. We use this, so light, so light, so light. And then we have the natural sea salt. The natural sea salt. We put right on top of the sugar. Oh yes, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You know what's funny? I think I sound more Brazilian than I do Italian. Anyway, here we go, here we go. Over here, to put in the pan, because you need something very special to cook in the bottom of the pan, you got to put in the pan butter. Yes. First thing before you cook is you put in the butter in the bottom of the pan. You get all the plastic off. Yeah, Kimmy Joy, you put this in the pan, huh? Don't hit it. It's gonna be hot. Ah, that's the sound of food cooking. The best. Roast the garlic, season oil, olive oil. You put this with the butter. Oh, delicioso. Oh, a little bit. Why not a little? Okay. Then you take your albino tail, and you have your nice mix, and you put just enough here. Just enough to make. Just a little bit. And you put it right in the pot. Watch. Watch the albino tegu tail. Ready? Hear the albino tegu. Oh, you see that? That sounds like a bacon. Oh, delicioso. But while we cook the albino tegu tail, let me show you what we're going to do. Because the rhino iguana, sometimes she's a tough. Sometimes, yes, you said you'd help me. Yes, you can help me. Sometimes the albino tegu, while it's cooking, you get the rhino iguana rib side, and you show them what you do to the rhino iguana rib side. Go. Oh, Cammy Joy, she does a terrible job, she does. Okay, watch it. Let me show. Daddy show. Abaya. Show me how to do this. Up. Oh, poor Rex. If Rex was here, he'd be so happy that his meat goes to good use. Okay. So here we got prepared all of our rhino iguana meat. Meat ready. I put the special Italian seasoning on it, but you know how to do this. I cannot show you. Don't show them that. This is very important. Cooking with Reptiles, we have our official taste tester, Mikey Mike from the very special show In the Field with Mike. He's going to take the first taste of the albino tegu tail. Taste it, open the mouth, open the mouth. Open your freaking mouth, baby. Look at his face, how nice.
It's an expensive cut right there, okay? You better like it.
That's albino tegu tail, finished right off of the grill. Come on, looky. Now we put this on. Ready? Look. Oh, the sizzle. Oh, if Rex was only here now to see how we cook his ribber cage, he's gonna love this. This has been Cooking with Reptiles. Thank you for joining us. Ciao bello.
It's that time. You went through 20 minutes of garbage to finally get to me. Moody friggin' booty. We got your contest comment winners here. You're getting a $10 coupon code. That's basically like me giving you $10. You're taking food right out of my friggin' mouth, you greedy little pigs. Let's get to the first contest comment winner. It was an email. Believe it or not, I do know what that is. It was from Jalen Smith. She says, or he says, I don't even know anymore. This year, I'm hoping to receive a titanium reticulated python. That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. Why would you want a python made of titanium? Why wouldn't you just get a regular one, like a real one? Jalen, that's ridiculous. I can't believe somebody picked you to get $10. What a waste. Next up, this was one of the comments. I used the Control F. It does not stand for control freaking booty. It stands for control find, I guess. I don't know. It's this moron, Kentucky. I think that's a play on words. It says, I'm not hoping to get, comma, I'm hoping to get a tree monitor. I'm going to get a tree monitor, comma, looking at the black trees, period. I would have gotten a pair of black trees from you all, comma, but there was only one pair, and I guess I snoozed on that chance, hyphen, it was a great price, period, LOL, period. I don't think these symbols mean what you think they mean. Comma is usually a break in a sentence, expressing a different thought. Period is the end of a sentence. You should have put a comma after and. You missed that one. And on top of that, this whole sentence makes no freaking sense whatsoever. I'm not hoping to get, so you don't want it, but then you're going to get a tree monitor that looks at black trees, evidently. Why do you want a tree monitor that looks at black trees? I don't understand what black trees have to do with your tree monitor. I don't understand you. You didn't get a tree monitor from us, I guess. You're just a mess, Kentucky. You take that $10, you buy yourself a brain if we've got them on sale. Lastly, we got Jack Leopard. Let's do that Control F thing. Here we go. Jack Leopard. I think we got more. I think you commented more than once. You really wanted to get this prize. He says, I want to get humiliated by Moody freaking Booty. Well, congratulations. You're about to get humiliated by Moody freaking Booty. And here's how I'm gonna do it. I found a video that describes, well, just how, I don't know. It describes you, I think. Let's find it here. Are you ready? I hope you enjoy. This is your prize. Enjoy, numbnuts. Bubble butt, yeah. We're out of here. Get out of my face.
So these are my mossy balls. They're just different colored and they're not big as the other ones.
These are my mossy balls. They're a little bit older, so they droop down.
Last 20 minutes underground. We hope you enjoyed the show this week. This week we're testing out our new night vision glasses. So hope you guys see it's really nighttime out here. A little light, but it looks good. Hope you enjoyed the show. Keep those questions and comments coming. So glad to be back. This week's question of the week, and you guys know the best answers get free crap. And what is free crap?
Good.
Good. Free crap is good. It's good. Listen, we have a twofold question here. Number one, we want to see the best belch that you can muster. Now, we'll tell you there is bias here. If you happen to be a woman, you get extra points. If you happen to be able to show us your animal, your dog, your cat, or your reptile belching, even better. But we want you to show us your best belch. A little grumble on the bottom there. I hope again you guys come and see us next week. We love you. We appreciate you. And we do what we do for you. We always ask, be blessed. And end everything with an us.